Y'all Adventures, and I'm opening a package for lights on the TRX6. We're gonna show you what it's gonna look like at the end, which is gonna be pretty awesome. And the lights are actually go right here, and they shine down on the wheels, and they go like, and the wires go across. Even though the wires will be showing, would not be that awesome, but still, it's gonna be awesome.
Oh, here is instructions for how the light kits go.
This does not show on our truck, but this one looks kind of like
this is our truck right here. So this
that's exactly the same truck that we
this
have.
This one isn't, but that one is. Figure this out. It says to start here with number 1. Can we tell on here which one's number 1? That's a mess.
I don't know which one's number 1.
Okay.
This is weird.
This one's number 1. The plug goes in.
Huh?
The accessory thing. Then you got 1.
And then it goes all the way around.
It goes 1, 2.
Can I put on?
You can. I was just trying to lay it out.
Wait, how does that put light on the wheels if it's going like that?
We have to take the cover off.
That's the light under there.
Right. This cover. We take these covers off with this. So you can start if you want to unscrew it that way.
I know this doesn't have its bit, but it's a motorized screwdriver.
Putting our screws right there.
I'll put in its bit and show them. Wait, where?
They're in the tool bag.
Oh, where's the tool bag?
Over here beside me. Let's just work on this.
All right, I'll show them it later, maybe. I'm not completely sure.
We'll have to remember to keep the covers, the light covers, in case we want to put them back.
Put them back away.
That is the cover. We take it off the hole. See the hole?
Oh. Oh, I have to loosen these. I remember how you do it. You unwrap it, unroll. That's what I meant. Almost done. And that won't work. Get off! I need this to get finally.
This is different. We have, it says put a zip tie right there. That doesn't make any sense. With this one, it says to start here, and that's number 1.
Wait, I want to put the light in.
And that's number 2. Okay, you can do it. Remember where the screws are? Over there. And here's the screwdriver.
Wait.
Those screws.
These are the right exact screws.
As soon as it's snug, that's it. Don't over tighten it. Yep, perfect. That just has a pin. That side doesn't have a screw. So you see the pin sticking up?
I know this.
Right, so you don't have a screw on that side.
Oh, so they're just one screw.
Yeah, but you need that screw for the next light.
All right. All right. Now put the next light in. Why are they all like? They're
other way.
The wires are completely just going everywhere.
Oh.
Why aren't they like that?
Know.
Will that just be like that in the shell?
Where'd you put your screw?
Oh, it's right here.
And that's why we have those zip ties. We've got to get those out of the way.
Oh, so they're going to be, the wires are going to be inside the shell, but the lights are not.
Right, that's it. Don't. Okay,
oh,
now,
it's not snug. It's just
this
crazily tightened.
Plugs into here. to the power accessory module. Okay, that's the first two, the rear lights. Now we've got to do this one to here. See the way the wires lay out? It goes
All
that
the
one
way.
first, that one second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, all the way. So start with the plug.
The plug. And put it
Goes
here.
first.
Where are these shining?
No, because we don't have a battery in.
Oh. For that in, and then we put this light in.
Right, in the first slot.
And this light is hiding. So
Yep.
this one goes in the first slot.
Yep.
I was correct first try. Wait, this is...
Face the cables in. Okay.
I can't see you because it's completely on the other side front. The other front
This
side.
one you have to grab 2 screws.
Ooh.
It's different.
I'm just going to do 1 screw at a time. I'm going to
And that's
grab
okay.
1 screw at a time. That's all I'm going to do. These screws are short. I've seen these screws before.
Yep. That's good. Just snug.
Hey,
What?
can't see.
Sorry.
Oh, I'm loosening.
Oh, oh. There you go.
I'm going to see one.
Yeah, it just hadn't started good. Now it started. Just snug. Oop, snug.
It's not snug. Okay, yes it is. Okay. I'm going to put in the second light, which is where?
Follow the string. It's right there.
Here? Yeah.
Face the wire to the inside.
Inside.
Face the wire
Oh.
this way.
Oh, put it like this.
Other way, that's backwards. Face the wire to the inside. There you go.
Like that?
Yep, and then grab a screw. I'll
Oh.
put my finger on it while you get a
Yeah,
screw.
that's why I was like, put your finger on it, and I forgot about that, even though I don't really want to do it. Oh, I'm holding the wrong screwdriver.
It's under the it's under the, there you go.
You said TR, and I was like,
Yeah, I couldn't remember what to call it.
TRX6. That's what I was like thinking. You're like, oh, what's that? It's under the truck, which we haven't thought of a name for it. We thought of the E-Revo, just call it E-Revo. And we call it the Traxxas. That's tiny. Oh, I just
slash,
said the
there you go.
name. I just said the name. We call it Traxxas.
Grab another screw.
And then we call the e-buggy just the e-buggy, and
Grab another screw.
It's kind of weird. I don't know. This thing we haven't found a name for, so
What if we called it Percival?
no. What? Why would?
Or it's a German Mercedes, so we could call it Fritz.
Wait, it's a German Mercedes.
is German.
Wait, this is a German Mercedes. This is
6x6.
This is a German 6x6. That's a Mercedes.
So maybe we could call it
Fritz.
or sauerkraut.
I don't like those names. I
Or
guess
Frankfurter.
no, I do not want to call it Fritz.
Okay.
I do not want to call it any German or French name. I do not want to call it that.
Okay, screws.
Way too bad.
Screws.
Screws? Oh. Flip.
Flippy
Ah.
flap.
Flip again. Oh, oh. Get out of my hand. Get in there.
Extreme close up.
Done.
Done. One more screw for that one.
Eh. You said one more screw. Oh, there's a screw already in there. Almost done. Now we need to do this light. And where's our second 2 lights?
Right here. It's still attached. Grab a screw.
Oh, there's still more lights.
Yeah, grab a screw.
Okay, it's fine. I have to scoot my stool. Well, by that I mean work chair, because we use this for work, even though I've not really been out here because of school. Because I was here in like summer break mostly. That's mostly when I work on it. Summer.
Yeah, you're
It's almost spring. Well, we have 2 months, but still, we're close to spring. Screw.
And then we'll zip tie some zip ties up, and I'll help with that.
Screws?
Not back. There's some more screws in the tray.
On the what?
On the red tray. See?
Where?
Right there.
I think you did too close up.
I did.
Alright, there's enough for the next lights.
We only need 2 more screws.
Ah! Where is it? We need that screw because it's the exact amount. Oh no.
It is. There weren't any spares.
Even though we have a bunch of spare
Other kinds of screws. We might have that size. That might work.
That were the or if it's not, if we don't have the right size, we'll just put it in the screw and keep it kind of out. Like, do you know what I mean? Like, keep it like kind of facing up, like kind of out.
All right, grab another screw. And we'll put once we get the lights in, we'll stop recording and do the zip ties.
Is make it like a little high, higher than normal. Again, why does this thing have magnets? It's tricky.
It's just magnetized itself over time.
It's better. It's always better every single second.
Oh no.
Flip the truck over. I was going to say flip the truck over to get it.
Well, you know what we could do?
What?
We could
What?
flip the table upside down.
No!
No.
That would actually flip, probably slam the truck on the floor and break it.
Oh, that wouldn't work. We'd have to glue the truck to the table first.
No, but then the table would go flying with it, and it'd slam the top of the truck still.
Well, if we glued the table to the floor and glued the truck to the table, we could flip the house upside down.
Well, that'd be fine.
Yeah, that would work. Okay, grabbing up the last
Even though
screw.
the house would probably collapse.
Grab the last screw.
So that'd be bad. We'd have to be outside while we did that.
All right, grab the last screw.
And then we flip the house. Oh, anyways, we would have to flip the house outside. Which, why would you do that? Because then we can't use the truck with its lights. We're actually going to drive this thing with its new lights on.
I know, it's going to be dark, and that's perfect.
And you know what else? It has extra lights that already came with it.
All right.
Because look at the shell. Do those look like real lights to you? They are.
All right, we're going to stop recording for a second so we can get the transmitter down.
And the shell. And
Well, we'll turn it on and check it without the shell first, and then we'll put the shell on and take it for a
I want to see
dark
what
time
it looks
drive.
like outside with only these lights, and actually drive it a little bit without the shell.
That is wild. All right, let's put the shell on and see how it looks.
You know how the tiny Traxxas does not handle grass? Well, if you stop this thing, and if you don't stop the Traxxas, if you stop the other Traxxas, and you go forward, it'll just get stuck. But if you stop this thing when it's in the grass, watch what happens. It still moves. You can still move it. The plastic fenders. Did you remove the plastic fenders? Did you remove them?
What plastic fenders?
Let me see. Yeah, you removed them.
I mean the things that.
Oh,
were...
now I see them. Now I see them. They just shaped the shell. Now I see it. We put its bottom lights on. See, do you see the bottom lights?
Look at the shadows from the wheels.
Oh.
Isn't that wild?
It looks like those trucks where you go to like a stadium and you like perform, like you show them off for like a track show, a car show. But watch this. Watch when you go backward. It goes like it skids. Oh.
Ah! Okay, that's a good view.
Oh.
All of the lights. See each one of the light kits.
Yeah.
That is awesome.
I'm gonna try going around the cedar tree.
You might get stuck. If you cut it too close.
Oh, I see the lights behind it. We hit it. Yes! I made it around the cedar tree! No!
You just want to look at those lights again.
I barely did it! I was not trying to look at them.
Bring it back.
No, not yet. It's in the leaves, I think.
Rubbed on the swing, did you hear it?
Huh? Like, it ain't make damage.
No, I think it's good. I just heard it bop the swing on the top.
Wait, you mean... Wait,
Yeah.
how did it touch it?
I don't know.
It didn't bop it.
All right. What do you say to everybody? I'm going to stop recording.
Bye.
What
Now
is
I'm
this
gonna hit
thing?
myself. What? This has been DL Adventures. Do not go on the pavement very fast.
Rock
Turn it
light kit.
around.